welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to store your activity cards from Usborne Books and More. I have only done one other video about Usborne Books and More, and that was unboxing my consultant kit. I will leave the link for that in the description for you to check out if you want to see what is in the fall 2021 consultant mini kit. So my daughter got a couple of these for her birthday, and they come in this box. It comes with a wipe off marker, but the box gets kind of flimsy taking things in and out. So I found a solution to store everything together, and it makes taking these cards on the go a lot easier. So these activity card packs are $9.99, which is a great deal in my opinion, because we take some longer car trips and certain things only last so long. So it's nice to have another option of activities for both of my girls to do while in the car. So this one is 100 things to do for little children to do on a trip. So let's just pull these out. Oh, haven't even opened this one yet. So like there's, whoa, like mazes and draw a hat on the girl's head. So just very simple cards that they can do and then just wipe off when they're done, and then they can use it the next time that we are in the car. So I went to Michael's craft store, though I'm sure you could go to any craft store, especially this time of year with school around the corner. And I got this pencil box. I think it was $1. And then they always have coupons, I feel like. So there was a 20% off coupon. So even better in my opinion. So I got a couple of these so that I can store them a little bit easier. Forget that. So we'll just open it up and stick the cards in here. Let me go get a scissors. Here we go. And I'm actually going to cut off the front label here. Just that way I know what the cards are, my daughters know what the cards are, and just keep things organized. There we go. Left-handed. These are not left-handed scissors. I feel like left-handed scissors are hard to find. Any left-handed people out there? So there is that. Oh, and I need to get the tape. Just the tape. And I'm just going to put some tape on the back of this. And stick it on the inside of the lid. There we go. So you open it up and you know exactly what it is. And then with the marker, I got some Velcro circles at Michael's, though I'm sure you could get these anywhere that has crafts and whatnot. So I am going to stick one circle here and the other one on the pen itself. And then just press it on, and that way it is attached to the box and we don't have to worry about losing any markers. And so if they want to use it in the car, they can just take one of these out and use the lid as a hard surface to do it on. So obviously don't even know if I'm going to make it. Ooh, I did. I made it to the flower. So I thought this would just kind of an inexpensive way to store your activity cards from Usborne Books and More. And that way I can put this in a diaper bag if we need this for a car trip or during church or any other place where they need an quiet activity to do. And then I can also just store it in their rooms so that way they have a quiet activity to do in the morning if they're up super early, which they usually are. But that is my quick, easy video for this. But comment below if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more hacks, if you will, talking a little bit more about Usborne Books and More. And don't forget to subscribe and give a big thumbs up. I'll see you next time.